I don't know where to start. It's been a very wonderful night for me. I just retired. August 1st was my last day for 42 years. And it has been a journey with all the ups and downs. And I can't believe that it's finally over. Nursing is finally over. I don't have to travel all the time to New York to work there. And thank you for everybody for the support that I always get. And you guys are my driving force, especially my siblings. You know, you guys are my driving force to keep going on and striving for the best. Thank you. I never wanted a big party. When I retired, I said I don't want a big party, but it ended up with little parties every day. So I think I'm glad that we did this. So at least, you know, I don't have to run around for little parties. Thank you, especially to my siblings that really took their time and created this surprise. My classmates from 77, from 73, from 80. Salamat kayo niyong tanan. And I'm ready to party!
Okay, Nay, this song's for you. Okay.